Hello student, good morning to everyone. In the last video, we got the detailed idea about a tree. In that concept, we got the details about a tree structure, we got the concept, we have designed the definition, also we learned the definition of repetitively. So that time we got the detailed idea about tree. In the today's video we will learn about the different definitions related with the tree. So first definition is level of tree. What will be the level? First, look at the diagram in your textbook. So after zoom out the image, you can clearly see, you can clearly watch the diagram very clearly. Also look at your textbook so that you will get the better image, you will get the better understanding than this video. Just listen the audio and at the same time put the finger over your textbook, over the line. Also try to draw a diagram as per your textbook. There is a tree given in the diagram. A is the root node, B and C are the child node. Also B and C are the parent node of D, E, F, G respectively. B is the parent of D and D and E is the siblings of parent B. D and E are the child of parent B. So from that we got again the idea of last video. But today the level of tree tells us that the level number or the starting level is at which position, middle level is at which position, that will shown at the right side of the diagram. At that side there has already written level 0, level 1 and level 2. So the root node lies on the level number 0. Then the first child of the root means the second level will contain the different nodes. There can be any number of nodes, but right now the diagram shows us only two nodes are there. B and C are the two nodes on the level number 1 and the 4 nodes are present at the level number 2. So D, E, F, G are the 4 different nodes present at the level number 2. From that we can be clear that the level number 2 contains with the 4 node. But in this diagram only. If we take other diagram, if we are designing the other type of node level tree, so that time the number of nodes will be different, but the level number will be looking like that only. So the first level number can contain 1, level number 1 will contain 2 node and level number 2 will contain the total number of node 4 in this diagram. So move towards the definition written in your textbook. Each node in a tree is assigned a level number. Each node in a tree assigned a level number. Generally level number of root R is of a tree is 0. the level number of root is 0. Means in the given diagram, a root A will have the level number 0 and every other node is assigned to the level number which is one more than the level number of its parent. One more level number than its parent. So in the given sequence, just we should have to know that whenever child will create, then the level number will be increased at that time. New child will come inside the new level. Means whenever we extend the node in a tree, at that time the level number of the tree also increases. After getting the new node, after each node, each parent node, that will gives you the details about a new level number. Level number 0 is at the root node, will be increased to level number 1 after taking a new node. B and C are there as a child node of root node as A, and B and C are a new node after the root node. So it will be at the level number 1 and the other node after the B and C as a child will comes at the next level. Level 1 plus 1 means level number 2 will be there. So level of a tree can be descriptive in at least 4 points. You should have to write in your notebook in a good sequence, so that will explain the detailed concept about the level of a tree. The next concept is depth of a tree. You can watch this definition over your textbook also. Here there is a date written by mistakenly in this video. I captured the video. I captured the image over that. That is not looking very clearly, but just I will tell the definition. Look at your textbook, that will give you the detailed idea about the next definition. Depth or height. The depth of a tree is defined as the maximum level of any node in the tree is a root level 0, then height of tree is equal to 1 plus the largest level number. Means to count out the total number of levels, or you can write the easiest formula, largest level number plus 1 will be the easiest formula for depth of a tree or height of a tree. Means we already know that level number 0, level number 1, level number 2 are there, but the total levels, how much are the total number of levels? Total levels are 3. Directly we can say, but according to the formula, the depth or height of a tree can be measured in terms of the largest level number plus 1 will gives you the details about depth or the height of a tree. That is the main concept, that is designing for the. You can see the depth of above tree is 3. The starting sentence of this page. Open the next page, means page number 2.31. Over that page number you can see the depth of a tree is 3. In the last diagram we got the detailed idea. In the first definition, level of tree, in the level of tree you got the different level number, but in the depth or height of the tree, just draw that same diagram in that definition, depth or height of a tree. Draw a same diagram, write down the level number 0, level number 1 and level number 2 same as that of in the, that is including in the first definition, but just change the format. In that is, write down the new formula at the bottom of the image, bottom of the diagram. The formula will be the total height or the depth of a tree is equal to largest level number plus 1. That will give the answer of depth of the above tree is equal to 3. Means in the given diagram, what is the maximum level number? The maximum level number, or we can say largest level number, is equal to 2, already given. And what is our formula for height or the depth of tree? Height or depth of tree is equal to 1 plus largest level number. Means whenever we will put the largest level number 2, then 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Means the depth of the above tree will be the 3. So explain the definition properly in your exam, also to write in your notebook. Next definition, degree. A number of subtree of a node. Number of subtree of node is called degree of node. Just keep the definition properly in your mind. Number of subtree of node. Degree. Number of subtree of node. Means just write whatever you are looking over the screen, over the page in your textbook. You can look at the definition section and just see the diagram that is showing you this. I am moving the picture. Just see the definition. Degree, number of subtree of node, means what will be the different subtrees are there. Just look at the diagram, then read the definition with the continue sentences written in this definition. The degree of tree is the maximum degree of the node in tree. Maximum degree of a tree. Degree of tree is the maximum degree of a node in a tree. You can see there is a different node in this diagram. Different nodes are there, named by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the different node of the tree, out of which each node explains the data item, data elements are there. So what will be the different degree of each node? We can see the description at the right side, the node, name of the node and degree. A is having degree 2, B is having degree 2 and C is having the degree 3. We got the largest degree here. Means the degree of C is equal to 3. It is the largest degree. Also we will see the degrees of D, E, F, G, H is 0 because it is not having its child node. These are only the leaf node. D, E, F, G, H are the leaf node of the tree. So it will not having some degree. Just degrees related with the A, B and C, and we can easily see the largest degree of the node C is there. So due to the largest degree of node C is equal to 3, then we can write easily the degree of the tree is 3. Why we written 3? Because the degree of the node C is having the largest degree. So due to that, the largest degree of any node will be the degree of the tree. So the degree of tree is equal to 3. So according to today's video, we got some definitions related with the chapter data structure related with the tree. We got the definition, level of tree, depth of tree and degree of tree. Again memorizing the three definition in just one sentence. Level of tree, level number given 0, 1, 2 at each level of the tree. Depth of or the height of the tree will use the formula 1 plus the largest level number will give the degree, will give the height of the tree, and the last formula degree of a tree from the largest degree of any node in the tree will tells us the degree of tree in the easy sense. So that memorize that definitions, study that definition and try to write the definition in your notebook without watching over your textbook. Just memorize the definition, try to draw different diagrams. You can see these diagrams are there. Just you can take your own diagrams, own tree diagrams. For that, just follow some sequences, write down the best definition, best type of formulas. For that I am teaching you in a easy sense, easy type of way. So if you don't understanding that concept, just memorize this concept repetitively, and also you can see different videos over the internet. Thank you student, thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Thank you, bye, best of luck.